In this video, I will talk about logo and graphics. So what that are the things that you will require for your online store. It will be a logo and favicon. You already know what a logo is. It is a symbol that represents your brand, your company, in this case your online store favicon. I don't know how to explain it, so I will just give you to the example. So right now I am here in the Gymshark website. So as you can see the logo is right here. And there is a favicon is the one which is right here at the top of the browser. Gymshark, the logo and the favicon is the same because their logo is proportional. It has the same length and height or length and width, whatever it is proportional. For that reason, they decided to use the logo as the favicon. Let's look into another website which is Kyle Cosmetic, and here they have the logo right here, which is simple test, and their logo is horizontal. You can see the favicon is just says K here. Alright, so if your logo is horizontal, then you have to design a new fabric and you wish to I fit here right here on the top. I just go into the Google, and you can see here in the Google they have their logo right here, and the favicon is this one. I write as you can see this one. So for your online store you have to design a logo, and if your logo is proportional like that in Gymshark, that is if it has the same length and breadth, then of course you can use it as a favicon. But if it doesn't, that case your logo is horizontal, you have to design a new favicon which will appear right here at the top of your online store. So my friend, if your logo is either a square or a circle, then you can see also use it as a favicon. But if your logo is horizontal, then you have to design a new favicon. So those are the graphics you will require for your online store, a logo and favicon. So how do you actually come up with a good logo? A good logo should not be complicated. It should be easy to recognize, like logo of Nike, Mercedes-Benz, Facebook. When you see the logo, you know what the brand or the company is, right? It should be the easy to print. It does not have many complex design. It should be really simple. That is really easy to print whenever and wherever you want, whether it is a physical object or shirt, pants, and it should be also be easy to print in 3D format in case you want to use it in your physical store. Alright, so you should keep this thing in mind when you actually design a logo, or when you can take someone to design the logo. Logo is not a painting, it is a simple symbol which represents your brand. So how do you actually get your logo? There are two ways. The first is actually making a designer make it for you. The second is making your own logo, which is obviously free. If you have no experience editing videos, photos, making graphics, I highly recommend you to let someone that make it for you, because that will be the 1000 times better because you have no experience. So if you let someone make it for you, it will cost you like $5 to $10, and it is a lifetime investment. You will not need any logo every year or every month. Once you make a logo and you have it, it is for a lifetime. If you are wondering where you can hire the designer, you can hire it from website like Fiverr.com, which I will show you right now. So right now I am here in Fiverr.com, and you have to create an account. I already did it. I have the Fiverr account. So I am here, and what you have to do is just simply type here the logo design and let's search for it. And there will be a lot of sellers providing logo design. As you can see, some providing for $25, $40, $70. So let's just filter it by budget. Let's just say customer maximum. Let's just say $10. Alright, and there will be the seller who is providing logo for less than $10. Check this out, and boom. As you can see, they are providing for $10 and they have a 5-star review. So you can hire any of this logo designer and you can have your logo created. It is really simple. So just click on something just like that, and then user can click on continue and buy it the same way you can buy from any other online store. It is really simple, and they will deliver it to you in 2 days, and this depends on the seller. For the seller it is just a 2 days. Guess you don't like it, you can request a revision. It has unlimited revision, so it is really cheap. That's how you can get someone to make your logo. But what if you want to make your own? You can search for logo maker on the App Store or Play Store. There are many apps which will give you a simple concept or design from which you can create your logo. The other thing is you can use free designer app like Canva. If you don't like it Canva, you can search on Google. You can use Canva on your phone or on your computer. But once again, I am not going to recommend creating your own logo. I will just recommend to pay someone to do it for you. It's just gonna be 100 times better. But again, you can always send your logo later. You can also try making your own, and then you can keep it for a while. And as your business start to move forward, you can always pay someone to make it for you. Nobody is going to complain when you change your logo. That is my friend for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, comment and share button and subscribe the YouTube channel Get E-commerce for more future updates. I will see you guys in my next video.